Hi guys, welcome back. So let's go ahead and do another example of implicit derivation. In this case, we're going to go ahead and do a trigonometry function. So let's do it. Let's go ahead and do the derivative of x squared times cosine squared of y. Well, we're going to start with the x squared, which is just 2x times cosine squared of y plus, now I need to find the derivative of cosine squared of y. So I'm going to do the chain rule. This 2 goes down, so I have 2 cosine of y times the derivative of the cosine, which is going to be negative sine of y, times the derivative of y, because remember, you need to follow the chain rule. In this case, I don't know the derivative of y, so I'm just going to call it y prime. So once I have this, times x squared, and this is this whole thing. So let's go ahead and recap. The derivative of x squared is just 2x times the cosine square of y plus the derivative of the cosine square of y. I'm going to lower the 2 times the cosine of y times the derivative of the cosine, which is negative sine of y, times the derivative of y, which is just y prime, times x squared, because you need to do the product rule, plus the derivative of the sine, which is just the cosine of y, times the derivative whatever is inside, which in this case is just y prime equals to 0. All right, we're almost there. Now that I have this, I'm going to go ahead and clean it up. Now, let's go ahead and move whatever does not have 1 prime to the other side. So, I'm going to go ahead and put this 2x cosine squared of y to the other side, negative, because it's going to the right side. Here, let's clean it out. So, this negative sine y and 2, and this cosine, I'm just going to put negative 2 cosine of y, sine of y, and then y prime, and actually we can just put the x squared in the front as well, right here, plus cosine of y times y prime. Now, it's almost done. It's just messy, but it's almost done. This y prime, I'm going to go ahead and just factor it. And inside, finally, I'm going to have negative 2x squared cosine of y times sine of y plus cosine of y equals negative 2x times cosine squared of y. Finally, we're going to go ahead and divide all this to this one, because look, it's y prime times this. My final answer is going to be y prime equals, and let's just go ahead and put it in black, negative 2x squared, negative 2 times cosine squared of y over all this, negative 2x squared cosine of y times sine of y plus cosine of y. If they ask you to find the normal line or the tangent line, and let's say that they will give you a point such as 0, pi, you go ahead and just plug it in, the x with 0 and the y with pi, and you get your tangent, and then you do the other thing, the y minus y1 and so on. But as you can see here, the most difficult part is just to find the implicit derivation. So that's it. Please don't forget to watch our other videos. Also remember, you can Skype with us. And also, thanks so much for learning.